What are the steps to activate a MetroPCS SIM card in an unlocked phone?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk through the process of activating a MetroPCS SIM card in an unlocked phone. If you've recently got a new MetroPCS SIM or switched to an unlocked phone, this guide is for you. Let's jump right in and make sure you stay connected.
What do you need before activation?
Before you start the activation process, make sure you have the following. 1. An unlocked phone. Your phone should not be tied to any specific carrier. If you're unsure, contact your previous carrier or check your phone settings. 2. MetroPCS SIM card. It should be new or not activated. If it's already activated, you might need to contact MetroPCS for assistance. 3. MetroPCS account details. This could be your account number or login credentials if you're already a MetroPCS customer.
Inserting your SIM card.
1. Turn off your phone. Always start with your phone switched off to avoid any potential issues. 2. Locate the SIM card tray. This is typically on the side of your phone but may vary based on your device model. 3. Insert the MetroPCS SIM card. Use the provided SIM ejector tool or a paperclip to open the tray. Place the SIM card inside, ensuring the gold contacts are facing down. 4. Turn on your phone. Once the SIM is securely placed, turn on your device.
Activating your SIM card.
1. Visit the MetroPCS website. Head over to the official MetroPCS activation page. 2. Enter the necessary details. This would include your SIM card number, phone details, and personal information. 3. Choose a plan. If you're a new customer, you'll be prompted to select a plan. Existing customers can skip this step. 4. Confirm and activate. Review all the information you've entered and click on the Activate button.
Troubleshooting common issues.
If your SIM isn't working after activation, 1. Check the SIM insertion. Ensure the SIM card is placed correctly in its slot. 2. Restart your phone. Sometimes, a simple restart can solve connectivity issues. 3. Contact MetroPCS support. If you're still facing issues, it's best to reach out to MetroPCS customer support. And that's it. We hope this guide has been helpful in getting your MetroPCS SIM card up and running in your unlocked phone. Always remember to double-check your information during the activation process, and if in doubt, reach out to MetroPCS support. Stay connected and enjoy your service.